Good morning, children. How are you all? I'm so happy to see you. Okay, see, today we are going to see an interesting topic. Okay, we are going to learn about varieties of plants. How do they grow? The color of plants, size of the plant, and shapes of the plants. Okay, are you interested to learn? Very good. Okay, so you have to understand the varieties of plants found in our place around us. What are the plants you are looking now? See, if you are at home, just go around, move around in the garden or in the next wherever you are going in the roadside. You see there are different types of plants. Okay, some may be small and some may be big. It differ in size and shape. Okay, so today we are going to learn about different types of plants. I think everybody at home, those who have garden, might have hibiscus. Have you seen hibiscus? Okay, rose plant. Yeah, see how it is, how is the rose plant and how is a hibiscus plant? Can you differentiate it? You think, okay, while you're seeing a plant and a tree, you think what is the difference, how it is different, what is the name of that. So today we are going to see there are different types, okay, classification of plants. We are going to learn about classification of plants. See, some are small, some are big, I told you, no? So today we are going to see about that. See, it is classified under there are trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Okay, so look at these pictures. Can you identify it? See, we consider these plants based on their height. Some are too short while some are too tall to climb. So beside this, the height and the thickness, we classify it. Okay, so we are classifying it under three main parts. What is that? Herb, shrubs, and trees. So it is classified under three groups. What are they? They are classified under herb, shrub, and trees. See, what is called herbs? The herb is a short sized plant with soft green delicate stem without the woody tissues. They complete their life cycle within 1 or 2 seasons. Generally, they have few branches or some are branchless. These can be easily uprooted from the soil. So herbs contain enough nutrition benefits including vitamins and minerals to make it a part of a healthy balanced diet. See, tomato, wheat, paddy, grass, and bananas are a few examples of herbs. So what is the shrubs? Shrubs are small, medium-sized woody plants, taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. So it is in between a tree and a herb. Their height usually ranges between 6 meter to 10 meter tall. Their features include bushy, hard and woody stems with many branches. Although stems are hard, they are flexible but not fragile. The lifespan of these plants usually depends on the spices. Rose, jasmine, lemon, tulsi, henna are some of the shrubs. Okay. Trees are big and tall plants. They have very thick, woody and hard stems called the trunk. The single main stem or the trunk gives rise to many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruit all by itself. The lifespan of the trees are very large, that is for several years. Banyan, mango, neem, cashew, teak, all these are examples of trees. In addition to these three categories of plants, there are two more types which need some support to grow. So they are specifically called climbers and creepers. What is climbers? Climbers are much more advanced than creepers. Climbers have a very thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright, but they can use external support to grow vertically and carry their weight. These types of plants use special structures called tendrils to climb. Few climbers plants names include grapevine, sweet gourd, money plant, green peas. Okay, creepers are that creep on the ground. They have very fragile, long, thin stems that can neither stand erect nor support all its weight. Okay, so example are watermelon, strawberry, pumpkin and sweet potatoes. Okay, so how do we differentiate herbs from shrubs? Herbs are a normal plant with soft, delicate stem and are perennial which completes its life cycle in a year. Shrubs are taller than the herbs and have a hard woody stem with branches. Okay, so what is the example for shrubs? Shrubs, rose plant, lemon, these are shrubs. Is that clear, children? Is that clear? Okay, so shall we move on to the next page? See, in the page number 12 they have given you enough of explanation. See that there are, see, look at this page number 12. So they have written herbs are small plants and their stems are very soft. The stems of shrubs, look at the next picture. The stems of shrubs are a bit hard. The branches spread out at the lower part of the plant. Look down, trees have hard stem and they grow tall. Next picture, creepers have long stems but they are smaller in size. Is that clear, children? Till now the explanation of herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. So you have to know this, what are these. Okay, so next you can see here a plant. What are the parts of the plant. Okay, so you know that plants provide food and the firewoods. All this they are obtained from different parts of the plant. So shall we see the parts of the plants? See, we have leaves, flower, fruit, stem, seed and the root. Okay, so the leaves are generally green in color. The stem is green, brownish grey or brown in color. The flowers have many colors like brown, yellow, white, saffron, etc. The unripe fruit is generally green in color. The fruits are in different colors: red, yellow and green, etc. Moving on to the next page. See, you have to write the parts of the plant there. So I have given the parts. Please write it in the pencil there. Okay. Moving on to the next page, page number 14. Write the details of the plants that are used in your house in the table given below. Follow the model given. See, for a model. See, for example, you can write what are the uses, name of the plant. See what mummy is using daily. If she want to keep some sambar, for sambar what plant she is using. See, for example, if it is a drumstick, leaves, whatever it is. Okay, so what part of it is used, whether the vegetable is used, what part it is used, the fruit is used, what is that. Okay, you should write. See, tomatoes, tomato, name of the plant, tomatoes, whether it is a shrub, herb, whether it is a tree, whatever it is, what it is used, whether mummy is using this coriander, mint, daily she is using curry leaves, yes or no? For that organic she is using everything, yes or no? You find out what are the plants. Put together the details of the plants prepared by you along with your friends and prepare a big chart. Okay, so with the help of your friends, count the number of different types of plants that grow around your houses and school. And why are coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves used for cooking? So go and ask mummy, why are you using all these things in the cooking? Like that you should ask. Okay. And also the another thing they are telling is, for during this lockdown time you are going to do an activity in near your house or inside your house. If you have different types of leaves, observe their size and shapes, dry them and stick them in your scrapbook. Okay, moving on to page number 15. Moving on page number 15. See, they have written a poem here. I am green, the life of a plant, sea or side, so different a shape, though in color we rarely differ, and our smell in all will love. I grow on plants, fall on the soil, turned into manure, join the plants again. When on plant, I serve the plant. When I fall, I will dry and join the plant again. So, you should collect the leaves that have fallen in your school or nearby house, and prepare manure with your friends. Okay, so discuss with them its uses and use in. Next, look at this page number 16. Draw the pictures of different leaves. Take a hump of wet clay and press the leaves on to it and draw pictures. Cut the paper in the shapes of the leaves and color them. See, have you seen this bed sheets, dress, flower vase, all this? See how beautifully they are painting. So do decorate something, decorate for our classroom, for chalk piece box, eraser box. We are collecting all the leftover pencils, all this, no, in that you draw and keep. Okay, design. So in page number 17, you might have observed that some plants grow in water. Can you name them? The plants like lotus and lily grow in water. Look at their leaves. They appear to be floating. Do you know about small plants growing on the branches of big trees? Observe these plants in your locality. These are called epiphytes. Have you seen the cultivated fields? What crops are grown by the farmer in the fields in your village? Write the names of the crops in the space given. See, paddy field, sugarcane, groundnut, all this we cultivate. Okay, so we get food items such as rice, ragi, johar, grains, oil seeds, etc. from plants. These plants are grown in a large quantity, so vast places are needed for them. So these places are fields. Crops are grown here. Do you know how many types of plants grow around you and what things are obtained from them? So with the help of your family members, grow a kitchen garden, grow plants that gives us flowers, vegetables and fruits. Put water and manure and look after them carefully. With the help of your teacher or your friends, grow different types of plants in your school and nurture them. So avoid plucking the plants and the leaves unnecessarily. See, farmers grow plants. Okay, they grow crops in the field. So this is called agriculture. Okay, so even it's not only that you can grow plants only in the field, even in the kitchen side. Kitchen garden is very, very simple, and it is easy for you to grow. Okay, so each and everybody should have a pot, small pot. Get a pot, or otherwise the used cups and jugs you have, no, you fill with the soil. At least you should have a money plant at home. Okay, grow it and see daily. Pour some water, manure, and also no, even the chili flakes, that seeds you put and grow it, chilies will come. Like that, whatever mummy is telling, the used one. Mint and all, no, you sometimes you can see the roots. If you're seeing that roots down, you can just you can grow that also. Okay, coriander also you can grow. So find out and make a video of it and post it in the group. Okay, thank you children.